What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a little bit of everything home services coming to you with another video. All right, anyway, family, I am on my commercial job, as you can see, and I am here because the complaint is that there is a leak on the water in the water tubing. You know, there's a leak on the water side where the water flows into the evaporator. So I figured I'd have you come along and see the difference between, you know, a little bit between residential and commercial, just a day on the job, and show you what we're working with. Okay, as you can see, this unit right here is an air handler, and it is a performance climate air handler, and it has water lines running into it, as you can see, bam, bam. And the problem is that there is a leak in the water coil. So where the water flows inside of this coil right here, there is a leak. So what I had to do is couldn't get access to it because it was just all the way back to the wall. So I had the pipe fitter out here, and he disassembled the pipes running to it, and we had to get this coil pulled out, and I'll show you what is next. So coming inside of here for the repair. The great thing is I had them pressurized. They had pressurized the system so I could hear where the leak and the water was coming from. So it was coming from the back side of this coil back here, and I couldn't get back here. Of course, it was all the way against the wall right here, just like that much clearance. I couldn't get in there, so we had to pull the coil out. And so now that the coil is pulled out about a good foot, about a good foot and a half, and that's plenty of room for me to get a torch back here and fix it. So it's lunchtime, so these guys are going to lunch. And I figured out during lunch I would show you this quick thing. So when they come back, we're going to pressurize the system. I'm going to exactly pinpoint the leak and mark it. And once I do that, we'll release the pressure again. And I'll solder braze it up. And, you know, put some solder on that joint that's leaking, and go ahead and pressure test it. And then we'll get this put back in and get them back up and running. So anyway, family, I just figured I would take you along and show you a little bit that goes on a day-to-day life in the life of commercial air conditioning. Okay, family, I am back, and I figured I would show you this leak since I had the coil pulled out and had it pressurized. And if you can see right here, that's where this leak is, right in there. You can almost even see, there you go, you can even see the hole. See that little pinhole right there? And pinhole right there, right there. That's where the leak is coming from. So I'm just gonna throw some solder on this and get it back up and running. All right, family. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.